Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my pick a card reading. It's a hashtag tarot reading. Hashtag bright side. Pick a card. So today's reading is going to be a yes or no to any question that you ask. Please note that this is a general reading, so this it may not resonate to everyone. This is pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Either you can choose these objects. So take some time to tune into these energies of the cards. So you can take a few deep breaths if you need to before choosing this pile. Those who choose pile 1, this object, pile 1, death. This usually depicts a skeleton, sometimes riding a horse, but more often wielding a sickle. Surrounding it are dead and dying people from all classes, including kings, bishops, and commoners. This meaning, death card meaning is unlikely that this card actually represents a physical death. Typically, it implies an end, possibly of a relationship or interest, and therefore implies an increased sense of self-awareness. This upright card, it's an endings, failure, letting go of attachments. So this shows some sort of dramatic change in order to have a new beginning. It is often associated with some sort of loss, failure, or destruction. So overall, this your answer is no. An Empress. The Empress usually has a yes meaning. This Empress card, people will be interested in you more than usual in all respects and will be probably want to use your advice or cry over your shoulder. It will be beneficial for you because now you will be able to see more fully how others perceive you as someone wise who has much to offer. And coming to love wise, this is a good time for love. It may turn out that both men and women will discover that they are much more attractive to others. So, Empress means all aspects of motherhood, caring, loving, solving problems that are associated with her. So, it suggests that you are moving forward to fulfill your potential, and the answer you are looking for is yes. The Hermit, generally, it's no. If you ask any question like, do they like me? Because they are too wrapped, because they are too wrapped up in their own problems. This person has not decided if they like you or not. The Hermit is a card symbolic of seeking some sort of spiritual enlightenment. Perhaps some soul searching and reflection are required on your part. The answer to your question, therefore, is maybe, or it may be a no. So, overall, this pile number 1 is a no answer. So, this is reading number 1. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And please share your comments in the comment section below. Please share, like, and subscribe. Bye. Those who choose pile 2, the Hangman, the Magician card, and the Temperance card. This Hangman can be interpreted in two different ways. All change is a small kind of death, as the old must die to create the new, and it may simply indicate upheaval or change in your future. Letting go of some things from your past has brought new value to your spiritual life. That which you sacrifice must be seen in a new way. Many things are unknown to you now, so you must make new goals and plan carefully. Acting at the right moment will get you ahead. This hangman suggests some sort of metamorphosis through breaking patterns, letting go, or going through a period of transition. Although it could indicate having to give something up in order to gain a fresh perspective, it has neither positive or negative. So the answer may be it's a maybe. Here the magician card. The magician card reveals how your wishes and desires can be realized with determination and willpower. He has the ability to bridge the gap between heaven and earth, and as such, he is capable of converting energy into matter. So, the magician card, if you ask yes, yes, it's a yes for you. If you have any question to ask, so this magician card suggests if you want it, it is yours, no doubt, but you are willing to think outside the box to get your hands on it. So it's a positive card, especially in yes or no readings. It's a yes. Generally, this temperance card is typically a yes if the question you ask involves a home, healing, or peace. However, I would say that temperance is a no for any question which involves change or shaking things up. So, the temperance card means divine intervention, balance, and harmony. The overall, it's a positive card. This temperance card, overall presence of this card within your reach reveals a high level of confidence and control in your efforts. So, overall, this answer for pile 2, it's a yes. So, you're looking for a specific question, yes or no confirmation. So, overall, this pile number 2, it's a yes. So, this is reading number 2. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope it resonates and it was helpful for you. And please share your comments in the comment section below. Please share, like, and subscribe. Bye. Those who choose pile 3, the devil card, the hierophant card, the sun card. The devil card here is in the business of entrapment. It signifies it signifies a situation from which there is no escape. This is all about things negative. Anger, violence, temptation, fear, and doubt are just some of the terrors associated with this card. It suggests feeling trapped, perhaps in an unhealthy relationship, an addiction, or a lie. Without a doubt, this card is telling you no. The next Hierophant. Hierophant means this card largely concerns doing the right things. Perhaps you are struggling with a problem and you are not sure what is right for you. Know that the answers are in you. Remember that the right thing is also right for you. Remember, it is a card that largely deals with spirituality. Everything from traditional religion to spirituality focused on the earth and any other spiritual thoughts you can have. There may be a conflict between your spirituality concept and the right thing and the ideas of others around you. Faith is a symbol of education and tradition. This Hierophant, it's a symbol of faith, of education and tradition. This card suggests searching for spiritual guidance or advice in your life. It has neither positive nor negative. It may be the only answer depending only on your beliefs. The Sun card. Abundance, achievement, joy, success. If the Sun card appears in your spacing, this means that in the near future, you will feel more relaxed than before. It also indicates that this is a great time for vacation and to experience different things. In general, this card means everything goes very well. It means you need to focus on what is really important in your life, and the money is high on the list. It is also a good time for socializing, meeting new people, and going out with them. The sun being the opposite of the moon, this card is full of joy, life, and energy. It reveals positive achievements, successful, and general manifestations of happiness in your life. So, the answer to your question is yes. Overall, this reading pile number 3 is maybe. So, this is reading number 3. I hope it resonates and it was helpful for you. So, thank you for watching this video, and please share your comments in the comment section below, and please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.